Hey everyone, day off clothes, and I'm on my holidays tomorrow for a month, so I'm not sure if I'll be managing, but you might see me here and there, obviously, my day off makeup, yada yada yada. Listening to Laurie Ladd this morning, and she was talking about the only two real emotions being love and fear. So, everything in the world at the moment is being driven by fear. Fear stops us from moving forward. Fear makes us frightened of the future. Fear makes us worried that things that happened in the past are going to happen again. Love allows us to get beyond the noise. Love allows us to see other people's opinions and allows us to move forward with grace and the ability to know that everyone is on a different journey to us. And that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So, love and fear, that's my intention with this one, to just do some just gently calming down fear and boosting love, love, love. Now with my 999, 999, 999, that is about, it's something called the map of consciousness, frequencies below 200, which is where fear, anger, shame, guilt, blame, all of those. So you can imagine how much energy is below 200 on the planet at the moment. Neutral's around 200, 220. And then when we get into love and forgiveness and everything, it's above 200. And by the time we're up at 1,000, we're enlightened. Now, I don't aim to be enlightened. Not my goal. So my aim is to get that 999, 999, 999, be thinking and conscious about having a higher vibration on the planet, because that's where humanity is going. We're increasing our vibration. So, love, fear. Where are you sitting today? Okay,